Hi everyone, guys, today we will discuss that how we can create a table in a database. So in the previous video, I have told you that how you can create a database in a RDBMS software. So it's a time to create a table. So this is the first thing that we have to know, that what is the syntax behind the creating a table. So see that this is the keyword like create table. We have to write it, create table. Then this is the space, then this is the table name which we want to this is the table which we want to create. Okay, table name. Then this is the, we have to write this brackets, and under that bracket there can be three things like this. First is data field name. What is the field name? Field name is the attribute of that table. Okay, then we have to write the data type of that attribute. Then third is constraints, that is the rules or restriction on that field is known as constant. So we have to write. Okay, now say like this we can create a many fields under that in the same way. Okay, this will complete your whole query. Now see, this is the mainly the this is the main query, create table. Then I have given a table name, that is students. Okay, clear? Then after that, open this bracket and we have to write the first field name which we want to use. This is the roll number field name, that is the attribute of that table, and the table name is students. Now after that, what we have to write? The data type. So data type is int. Okay, integer. Now next thing is constant. Okay, constant. What are constant? It is the rules which we apply on attributes, on values. Okay, I have applied the constant like primary key. So what is the keyword here? Primary key. What does it mean? That roll number is a primary key which contains the value in integer data type, and it will not have any null value, which is the key feature of primary key. Okay guys, now after that I use again check keyword, which is check keyword. Open the bracket and I have written that roll number should be greater than 0. Okay, here I mentioned that key roll number should not be should be greater than 0. Why? Because if we go through this, that what does it mean? That it should be 1 2 3, that is a positive number. So anybody don't have any negative roll number, so that's why I have written that there should be a check. With what it will do, it will check that roll number should be greater than 0. Okay, after that close this bracket and place a comma. After comma we will use what is the another attribute of that table. Okay, so I have written that as name, that is student name, another attribute. After what we will do, use data type. Data type is varchar. Okay, what is varchar? Varchar can use the maximum length. Okay, I have given the length, that is 20. Okay, 20, what is that? What does that mean? 20 means that if you are going to use as name as a varchar, then only 20 character can be maximum comes under that as name, that is student name. Okay, after that I have written that a constant like not null. Any student in a student database, so any student name cannot be null. Okay, so it should have some values, whatever, doesn't matter, but its value cannot be null. We can't empty that value. Okay, after that there is another attribute, that is named course. Then again is data type varchar, but now length is 30. Clear? And not null, another check. And after that I have used one thing, default, and in default I have written that .net. Okay, what does that mean? If we are going to enter any value in course, so it should not be null, and plus what is the default value? The .net. Suppose if we forget to enter any value, then what will it take? .net. Okay, After that, there is another check. What it will check out? course, that is a field name course in. Okay, what does that mean in? It tells that the database that the values only be in this attribute comes under from these values. Okay, so what are these values? .NET, Java, C++, Python. Okay, now course will have only values from these values, and if we forget to enter any value, then it take by default a .NET. Clear all? After that, I have closed this bracket. Oh, see, it's like a mathematics. We have to close every open bracket to check where have we have done that. This bracket close to this bracket. Okay, this bracket close to this bracket. This bracket close to very first bracket. Okay, and we have checked that we have closed every bracket. After that, what we have to do? We have to click the execute query button, where it will check the syntax and each and everything whatever you have written. After it, if it find that yes, you have done each and everything in the right way, it will give you that answer that execute query is executed successfully. Clear? Okay, this is known as basically how we can create table. So in this way we can create many tables in a database, but only the syntax should be correct. After that, we can go through this syntax and make a table on a database. Okay guys, after this video I will do the different data types in a SQL. So let's ready for that video, and please make sure that I have given that the link of my playlist of this videos. So please go the description of the video and click that playlist, so you can go through step by step or a sequence wise videos. So follow this playlist. Okay, thank you and take care. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.